Hi, today I'm going to show you how to get your Honda uh, engine cases looking really good. This is an engine case that's just I'm just about to start on, and what I would normally do is start with this process. You scuff off the paint with a brass wire brush like that, so it's got to be brass, okay, because a lot of brushes have got wire in them and it will scratch. Then you rub down with finishing pads, okay, so you start with maroon, then go green, then go grey, so it's coarse, medium, fine. Get your paint preparation wipes to make sure the surface is beautiful before you start. Then you do a self-etch primer, okay, so you can get that quite a lot of places. Okay, cool, so that gives it a nice base coat that you can leave that 24 hours, okay. Then you put your brake caliper paint on. This is the best paint I can find, so it's Technic Silver Arrow brake caliper paint. It's really good and it doesn't really need it says no primer required, blah blah, and also very good instructions on the back. It says you don't need a lacquer. So anyway, I've done a lacquer. I found very high temperature lacquer that will do this. So this is a case to start with, okay. Before I started with my wheel and my rubbing down and everything else, and this is the finished result. This is what your case will look like at the end, okay. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody.